A North County father shot and killed in front of his young daughter. Police say Edward Johnson's murder happened in broad daylight after an encounter with pedestrians turned deadly. The family is only speaking to 5 on Your Side's Melanie Johnson.
Kelly killed for honking his horn. That's the motive behind the crime Ferguson Police Chief Troy Doyle calls senseless and unnecessary. The key witness in this case, the victim's only child. A day for Daddy's little girl takes a dark turn in Ferguson.
A decision was made to fire shots at a man who's just trying to spend time with his daughter.
Bella Faye Johnson Jr. speaking on behalf of the family of Edward Johnson Jr.
Our dads, our brothers.
His older cousin murdered 10 a.m. Friday morning on January 23rd. Police say Edward Johnson Jr. was shot and killed for honking his horn at 2 pedestrians at the corner of West Florissant Avenue and Canfield Drive.
He's in a car, they're in the street, and blows a horn. Didn't know that would be what would be his demise.
The bullet striking Johnson, leading him to crash into a nearby home. When officers arrived, they found the 52-year-old shot in the driver's seat.
But this is the reality of life on this side of heaven. It is broken. It is depraved.
Johnson's daughter was in the car for every moment.
She saw it all. And she saw her father pretty much take her last breaths. And to go from thinking you're just about to hang out with your dad to now you got to testify and have meetings with police officers to tell them what you saw. And, it's not fair. My memory of him was just how cool he was and how smooth he was and great baseball player. I can look back now and just see that picture with my hand on his shoulder. And
beyond justice, Bella Faye has a driving wish for the little girl grieving the unthinkable.
My hope is that she never forgets that she had a father who loved her.
Ferguson police have arrested this man, DeAndre Spruill Jr. He faces felony second-degree murder charges. Investigators are speaking with other persons of interest tonight, including a second individual who could be charged any day now.